Picture yourself on a peaceful afternoon, standing at the edge of a park. You see a cyclist slowly pedal onto the path, then speed up and disappear into the distance. You might wonder, how do we describe the rate at which that cyclist's speed changed? That's exactly what acceleration is all about. How fast the speed, or velocity, changes over time. Mathematically, we often write it like this: A equals delta V divided by delta T, or A equals dV divided by D. T dash delta VAMI, or dV, is the change in velocity. dt, or dt, is the change in time. In plain words, if you start off slow and become fast in a short time, your acceleration is big. If you take a long time to pick up speed, your acceleration is smaller. A simple example. Let's continue our scene at the park. You hop onto your own bike, ready to pedal away. At first, you're not moving. After a few seconds, you're happily cruising. First moment of rest. At the very start, your velocity is 0 meters per second, completely still. 2. Reaching a steady speed. After 5 seconds, you check your bike's speedometer. It reads 10 meters per second. 3. You wonder, how quickly did I speed up? Now let's break it down step by step. 1. Initial velocity, VI. VI equals 0 meters per second. 2. Final velocity, VF. VF equals 10 meters per second. 3. Change in velocity, dV. dV in VF. VI, 10 meters per second minus 0 meters per second equals 10 meters per second. 4. Time interval, dt. dt, 5 seconds. 5. Average acceleration, A equals delta V divided by delta T equals 10 meters per second divided by 5 seconds equals 2 meters per second squared. An acceleration of 2 meters per second squared means every second, your speed increases by 2 meters per second. It's like saying each second, I add 2 more meters per second to my biking speed until I reach 10 meters per second. A real-life application. Now let's leave the calm park and blast off into a bigger adventure. Imagine a rocket launch. Rocket launch scenario 1. Countdown. The rocket is on the launch pad at rest. VI equals 0 meters per second. 2. Liftoff. Engines roar. In 5 seconds, the rocket reaches a velocity of 100 meters per second. That's about 360 kilometers per hour. 3. We ask, what's the rocket's average acceleration? Let's calculate. 1. Initial velocity, VI. VI equals 0 meters per second, just before liftoff. 2. Final velocity, VF. VF equals 100 meters per second after 5 seconds. 3. Change in velocity, dV. dV mirrors VF. VI, 100 meters per second, minus 0 meters per second equals 100 meters per second. 4. Time interval, dt. dt, 5 seconds. 5. Calculate the average acceleration. A equals delta V divided by delta T equals 100 meters per second divided by 5 seconds equals 20 meters per second squared. This means the rocket is adding 20 meters per second to its velocity every second during those first 5 seconds of flight. That's a mighty push off the ground. Why does this matter everywhere? Driving a car. When you press the accelerator pedal, you feel yourself push back into your seat. That's acceleration. Sports and fitness. Athletes train to increase their acceleration out of the starting blocks or to boost their sprint speed quickly. Phones and games. Your smartphone has an accelerometer that tracks how fast it's moved or tilted. This helps apps respond to shaking, turning, or flipping the device. Robotics and AI. Robots must carefully control acceleration so they don't jerk around and drop fragile items. Theme parks. Roller coaster designers use acceleration to balance thrilling rides with safety. Anywhere speed changes, be it a plane, train, or your favorite racing game, acceleration is the starring concept. Understanding A equals delta V divided by delta T gives us the power to predict how things go from slow to fast, or fast to slow, and to design safe, efficient, and exciting experiences. Key takeaways. 1. Acceleration means how fast are you speeding up or slowing down? 2. Formula, A equals delta V divided by delta T. 3. A big delta V in a small delta T equals large acceleration. 4. A small delta v over a long delta t equals small acceleration. 5. You'll see acceleration everywhere, from your bike to rocket launches. With this understanding, you can confidently look at any speeding object, from your humble bicycle to powerful spacecraft, and say, hey, I know how to calculate how quickly that's changing its speed. It's like holding the key to one of nature's most thrilling secrets.